this will be the final look and start of this really nice Poulan 21-inch lawnmower I got with a Kohler powered engine, XT Series, XT675, 149cc, 6.75 gross torque engine. Almost a new condition push lawnmower here with the high rear wheels. I got this on our community website called Nextdoor, and the owners could not get it to start for the year. Had a very small yard, and in the part 2 video I showed taking the carburetor off and cleaning it, and found what looked like just dried gas inside that had stopped up the jet. It had almost a full tank of gas, so I drained that out as well and put fresh gas in there. It almost looked like sugar in the bowl, just dried, and a little bitty small jet was clogged up. The blade was in such good shape on it, I didn't even sharpen it. This is almost a new condition lawnmower. Don't get many like this. Kohler engine, very clean, and that blade is in really good shape. Just took a look at it, didn't even bother to take it off and sharpen it. Doesn't really need it. So it's been sitting for a day. Let's see if it'll start up now. And here we go. That's very nice. Nice lawnmower. Really like this Kohler powered engines.